Hi there, it's Carol Marak at carolmarak.com. Welcome to Solo and Smart, my YouTube channel. And I'm moving on to exercise number 3 for creating a plan for the future. In the last 2 videos, I talked about exercise number 1, which is evaluate your mindset. The second exercise was evaluate your larger community. And number 3 today is evaluate your social connections. So, who do I enjoy spending time with? Ask yourself that question. Who do I enjoy spending time with? If your friend network lives on the other side of a big city, start collecting friends who live nearby you. The best places to go to meet them are at a senior center, a book club at the library, a jewelry making class, which is what I love to do, a woodworking group, sewing circle, a golf course, a local animal shelter, a local faith organization, or another volunteer type organization. Social interaction is one of the basic needs of human life. We are social beings with a need to be active and have meaningful engagement. There are many ways to build friendships, support, and even social activity. If you're a solo ager, more than likely you're satisfied with the status quo and content with living and doing everything yourself. But research says when we have a solid and dependable community of connections, and mostly with people who live nearby us, we can experience improved health and mental functioning. So try these suggestions to find and make new friends. Number 1, put yourself in new situations. Put your fear away and get out and make new friends. Develop a list of fun, exciting challenges you want to overcome. Explore a city on your own. Start smaller. Go to a restaurant and eat alone. Visit a museum or take the public transit. Enroll in a challenging course at your local university. Learn a new language. Take a writing class. Volunteer to meet new people. So these are a few steps that you can take to put in place and to create more engagement in your life, which is very important as we grow older. So, thank you for joining me today, and I invite you to circle back in the next day or so where I will continue with creating an aging plan and go to exercise number 3. So be sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like or a thumbs up, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next few days. Thank you for joining me, and we'll talk soon.